Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can move an image from the Files app to your gallery on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under this video and also write your comments and subscribe to the channel. So, let's get started, friends. And in order to find such images, first of all, please find an application on your iPhone that looks like this. And open that app. After that, you will need to click on the word View at the bottom right. This will take you to the main like or home page in the Files app. Next, you need to find your image in the form of files. To do that, you can either go to iCloud, and here you can find, for example, a folder or find your image. Or most likely your image in a file will be in the section on my iPhone. More often than not, this is where downloads are saved. Next, find the folder and image you want. After that, friends, you will need to click on the image. Next, at the bottom left, click on the Share button. Scroll through the menu a little bit, which you will find, and now select Save Image here. Now friends, you can go to your gallery. And make sure that the image has been saved in your gallery. This is how, friends, you will be able to move the image from Files app to Photos on your iPhone very easily. I hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to write your comments. Be sure to put your likes, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.